Ladies and gentlemen, we managed to get the screwdriver set, as the other one failed last time. I'll show you. Oh, and this one. So we remove the plate from the old phone. Sorry, old screen. Put a new one. I was struggling to put that front home button and the front camera. It was really hard. I suggest anybody want to do that, just get a full screen with the home button and the front camera. Yeah, now I'm struggling to put all these wires I removed first time to put them back. It's not that easy because the first one clipped good, but these two they don't want to clip. I don't know. This is something wrong with this harness, or I don't know why they don't clip. So I'm struggling with that one. All the screen was shattered. It was so difficult to remove even the front camera on home screen, all the glass everywhere. Anyway, so we got here. I want to put the loom back, and then just charge it. We see if it's working or not. Meanwhile, I said, better I get some fish and chips. I know you can smell it, but sorry, it takes too long to do the job. This plate left and the screws. That's, I don't know. Maybe I lost few of them. Anyway, as soon as I put this stuff back, I'm gonna let you know. But if you don't have that much patience like me, just get the front camera and the home button with the new screen. They come complete, so you don't need to remove them. It takes so much time, and putting it back is a little bit tricky. Just if they don't sit in the place, I don't know if they sit in the place or not. So you cannot just put the screen back properly. So still I'm struggling with these wires. They don't want to click in. So when I put everything back, I'm gonna just tip it over, put this last two screw back. We will see if it works or not. See you till next time. Bye bye.